Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making not one, not two, but 3 bean chili. And accompanying that, we have our keto, low carb cauliflower rice with sweet potato rice. So now, because of sweet potato in it, it no longer becomes keto friendly. So it just becomes low carb friendly. If you want, you just do straight cauliflower rice if you want to stick to the keto plan, and you opt out of the beans. But the beans is the beauty of all of this chili. The 3 combination colors of the white, the black, and the red. But again, if you are doing that keto lifestyle, just take out the beans and you'll just have your chili done basic, and you'll have your cauliflower rice if you choose to have rice. And if you just want to do the low carb way, then you just include your beans and you include the sweet potato rice along with the cauliflower rice. So we're going to get into our vitamin content soon. Just to let you know what we have here on deck is that we have some diced tomatoes, we have some chipotle chili pepper, some fresh garlic, some fresh onions, onion powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika. You know I love smoked paprika, right guys? And we have some Montreal seasoning. We have our olive oil, and that's basically it, with our fresh cut up peppers, red, green, and yellow. And of course our beef. Gotta have your meat, right? That's what part of makes it part of keto company family. And really, chili with your meat. Or if you're a vegetarian, then you opt out of the meat and you use your beans as a protein. Here's our vitamin content. So I poured a little lemon juice on top of my meat because I just believe in cleaning your meat. And I'm just gonna kind of mix that in, all the meat together. Now I wanna put my Montreal seasoning. I'm gonna put all my garlic in here. We don't want our meat to dry out, so that's why we put the onions in here, all of our onions. We want to put our chipotle chili powder here, and this is my onion powder, my garlic powder, put my smoked paprika in here, and my cumin. Get our cumin in here, and our peppers, our veggies in here, and we are going to mix this all up. And then we're gonna turn up the heat on our stovetop. Okay, our meat is practically fully cooked. So what we're going to do now is add our diced tomatoes and our sauce to let it simmer. And 20 minutes into getting into it, we'll add our 25 minutes, we'll add our beans then. All right, so I'm going to add my diced tomatoes in here. This is 1 can of diced tomatoes here. For our chili, our meat has fully cooked. And so now we want to put our sauce so it can simmer and give us that chili flavor. Get this out the way. I did have to drain a lot of water from out of it, the meat itself, and of course the vegetables, the onions and the bell peppers make its own natural water. So I had to drain some of that out. And now I just added my sauce, and we're just gonna let that simmer before we add our beans. Probably another 20-25 minutes on low heat. We're gonna just let that simmer. Okay, chili sauce is nice and thick. See that? That's bubbling. You can see how thick it is. Look at that. Awesome. So now I'm gonna put my red kidney beans, my white cannellini beans, and of course my black Negro Frijoles. So now we have our chili with our 3-bean chili. We have the white, black, red. Yummy. So I'm just going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes more. And then it's ready to go. And here are a list of ingredients. The low-carb way, keto-friendly way, with cauliflower rice and sweet potato rice. With our chili. I also cooked some jasmine rice. My crew is not into this low-carb stuff. So I had to make some rice for them. And I just wanted you guys to see what it's like with just rice as well. Well, here we have our chili. I added some corn in the end because I actually make my chili with corn, and I love corn, and a lot of my crew members love corn. Doesn't this like look so beautiful with like all the colors of the beans, the white? You're seeing the white beans here, and you're seeing the red beans here, and you're seeing the black beans here, and of course the corn, you know, with that color, and then you have your diced tomato right here. It's just an array of beautiful colors to me. And I always believe that nutrition is color. Color, it represents nutrition. We're gonna taste this first. Actually, we're gonna do our low carb first. Let's try this. So again, this is really just vegetables, right? So it's cauliflower with some sweet potato riced, which is just really just shredded on a box grater. That's all. Oh my gosh, this chili is so flavorful. So flavorful. So, if you are trying to watch your carb intake, you definitely can do this. Taste that comfort. Definitely. Taste the onions and the garlic and the chili, the bell peppers. Flavorful with all these veggies. To have a piece of comfort and have something that's affordable, you have it right here. Definitely give this a try. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my crew know that you're enjoying what we're doing. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. That also encourages my crew and myself to know that you're loving what we're doing, and encourages us. And hit that bell notification so you can know every time we upload a new video. And sharing. Share this channel with your family and friends. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Come back and hang out with me again. We love you. Bye.